It's gonna be a rough night tonight, man. It's flooding. Water. I knew it was coming, but goddamn, I could only get so prepared. These fucking walls ain't low enough. That fucking water's coming in from everywhere, man. Fucking shit, everything's soaked. Luckily, I picked up these fucking big ass plastic bags from the fucking Stripes across the street. You guys still sleeping right here tonight? It's fucking sleep. It's supposed to be thundering and raining, lightning all night. Nobody's called and asked about me. I think today I figured out that I'm truly alone, man. I'm alone. I ain't got nobody. And as much as that breaks my heart, it makes it a little bit easier.